Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Triple Q report for Thursday, February 10th, 2022. Before we look at the charts, just as usual, want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the daily Triple Q report. We really do appreciate it. It helps with regard to being found properly, effectively on YouTube when people search for Nasdaq-100 or Triple Q analysis. And subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will be to your advantage. It'll provide you notification each and every time the daily Triple Q report has been uploaded for your viewing. So it is, to your advantage to see it early before the opening bell for your trading and analysis. I'm going to cut to the chase here and just show once again this longer term structure we settled below about 3 weeks ago. 376.62 is still long-term resistance, and rallies up to it are over the near to midterm time horizon considered counter trend in nature, still anticipating the 327.87 long-term channel bottom that can absorb annual selling pressures and above which the long-term trend certainly remains bullish. Let's zoom in here a little bit and you can see 376.10 to 376.62, really kind of almost a perfect convergence now between that former channel bottom and a descending 2/3 speed line. If settled above, would then indicate a good, I think, first quarter low. We should then reach or retest that 408.71 high within 2 to 3 weeks, and I think into the 420s by the end of March. But we're a long way from that. In fact, preceding that 376.10 today is a respectable channel top at 368.06 that can contain daily buying pressures. Let's take a look at the support and resistance for today. I'm going to start putting in green horizontal lines to represent roughly where we settled. We did close on Wednesday just below that 368.06 descending channel top. It can contain daily buying pressures, below which we could fall back to 361.60, which is a respectable support level on an intraday basis. We could bounce nicely there, but if we break 361.60, 356.45 is attainable today, and that is that rising 2/3 speed line I've been mentioning now for the last week or so. Let's open up this chart and take a better look at that. That can contain selling through the rest of the week, and above which we can push into the 376 handle over the next 3 to 5 days. We tested that speed line on Tuesday, and we've been basically recovering ever since. And so the 376 handle in reach, I'm going to say by the end of next week or sooner, holding above 356.45. But if we close below 356.45, given the heavy dynamics still below the 376 handle, we should fall to the 334.15 low from a few weeks ago, possibly by the end of next week. And while we're at it, we just might reach 327.87 within a week or two of closing below that 356.45 speed line. 327.87, not far off that move low from a few weeks ago at 334.15. So I'm really calling it a range of support, as you can see at the very bottom of the support and resistance. So I do say that closing below 356.45, we should reach that 327.87 long-term support within 1 to 2 weeks. So once again, 368.06, decent resistance today. If we push through it, we could reach 376.10 to 376.62 longer-term resistance tomorrow. But I personally think it'll require a settlement today, Thursday, above 368.06 to reach 376.10 to 376.62 tomorrow. Big zone of resistance, able to contain buying into March trade. We can easily fail from there, but if we close above 376.62 or that area at the end of any week, certainly, but any daily settlement above 376.62, and I think we've got a good quarterly low, we should then recover nicely into the 408 handle within 2 or 3 weeks and the 420s, the mid to upper 420s by the end of March. I think that really sort of summarizes it. I'll leave you with the support and resistance. You can print it off your smartphone or your desktop. Please click like each and every time you watch the daily Triple Q report. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. I'll be back tomorrow for Friday's daily Triple Q report. You have a great day.